In today's video, I will show you how to create this beautiful Christmas greeting and this one also. Let's get right to it. Hi and welcome to the channel. This is again Rick from GFX Creative, the channel where we show you how to create better designs and better images. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, think of subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Don't forget, if you like this tutorial, to hit the like button and share the video. Well, after quite a long time we've not been here, I have decided that I should bring you something cool for Christmas. Yes, Christmas is around the corner and I have decided to show you how to design two beautiful Christmas greetings for this Christmas. You can share it, you can modify it, you can change the colors, and you will see. I know you will love this tutorial. Well, I've got two beautiful designs for you. The first one is this one that you see right now on my screen. I will show you from scratch how to get started to create this, how to create it, how to add the effects, how to add the blur and the text, and much more. And we will also create this second beautiful design, which I bet you will love. Well, I've not been I've not been lazy those few months. I have a great news for you. I've got a new composite course out, which I want to introduce you before we get into the tutorial today. Here is the promo video for that course. I'll be getting back to you just in a second. Imagine if you could transform an idea into a wonderful composite, or take an ordinary image like this and transform it into this stunning digital composite. Well, I've got good news for you. You came to the right course. Hi, my name is Ricardo Stefan and I'll be your host for this course. I'm a digital artist and photographer. I've been designing for over 15 years and I have been creating very nice designs which I'm really proud of. In 2021, I have been awarded Best Graphic Designer in our local Artist Award. I love sharing my knowledge. That's why I created this Adobe Photoshop composite course to show you step by step how to create this great Christmas composite from scratch. Here is a quick overview of what you will learn in this course. I will show you how to create and organize your project folders and files. You will also learn how to organize and manage layers inside of Photoshop. You will see how to create a sketch of your idea in Photoshop. I will show you how to do good cutouts. You will learn how to add models and other assets to your design. I will show you how to add realistic lights, highlights, shadows. You will see how to add things like particles to add magic to your design, how to fix masking problems if ever you have some, and finally, I will show you how to color grade and export your image. If you're ready to start learning, join the course. I'll meet you there. Well, that was it for the new course. If you are interested in starting to learn, in getting into this course, link in the description. Just follow the link and order the course right now. Well, let's get to the tutorial now. Okay, I will start by creating a new document. Our size 1920 by 1080p. Okay, then create. Okay, now I will start by adding the Christmas decorations to my canvas. Here we go. Okay, then Command T, I will resize it to bring it down a little bit, to resize it to my canvas size. Okay, and then I will move it, just place it where I desire it to be, where I want. Then I will duplicate that layer. Okay, I can rename it. I will call that Deco 1 and the other one Deco 2, and then Command T, I will just move it and right click flip horizontal so that I can flip it to the opposite direction. Okay, and then I can resize it as I desire. Text, okay, you can add your text and choose a beautiful font that you want. Anyway, I've got a font attached to this tutorial. Down in the description you can get the font, and you just resize it and adjust things so that it's placed wherever you want it on your design. Okay, if you don't see the characters panel, just go to window, character. Okay, further enlarge this and also change the lighting if you want, and also just change the line spacing to about 150 based on your design, of course. And then I will add a new copy. I will duplicate that copy to change the text to something else. For example, I want to write any happy new year. Okay, and just that this way. Very easy. That's to text, to different part of text. Okay, I will then add an gradient overlay layer to this. Okay, put it to normal, and then I will also make sure that the angle is 0. Then change the color to try to get a golden colored text. Okay, just as required, so that if you want to have the values that I'm using here, you can stop the video and copy the different values of the colors so that you can use them also in your design. Okay, adjust that just a little bit. Change the white to a kind of yellow. Once you're satisfied, just press OK. White, and then also add a drop shadow to it, and then just change the value, distance, the size. As you can see, it's getting beautiful. Do that with the other two parts. Okay, add the same drop shadow effect to them, just like this. Okay, and you should have something that looks like this also. Good. Now let's add the background. Convert it to smart object, then add it to the canvas. Command T to resize this. Okay, just drag the handles to resize that. Okay, I want to enlarge the Merry Christmas text a little bit. Good. I also want to enlarge the other two. Just move it this way. Okay, and I think we're good. Very good. Add a Gaussian blur to the background layer, to the image. Okay, just like this. Create a new layer. Select a soft white brush and brush in the middle of the design. Okay, and then you can add a curves adjustment, to color grade the background image, just like this. Just move the green, the red, and here I'm on the red. Just move it down so that you can have the design color. And then the RGB, just move it a little bit so that you can have this beautiful color for your design. I will also duplicate the background layer, remove the Gaussian blur, and here's what I'm gonna do. I will add a layer mask to this. Make sure my brush is black, and then with a low flow of around 41, and then I will brush slightly just to make this disappear, to create that blur only on the edges of this design. And as you can see, it's more beautiful, it's better. And as you can see, I just brush that here also. Now I will color grade the whole image by adding a curves adjustment and create an S-curve on this thing to finalize my design. Isn't that beautiful? Really, really cool. For the second one also, I will create a new document, 920p by 1080. Add inside of it the Christmas decoration. Okay, this one will be a little bit more sophisticated. Okay, besides that, we will do exactly what we did in the last one. We will also Okay, I will also add the background layer, put it underneath this decoration, and then move it down, resize it. Okay, just like this. Go back to the Christmas decoration, duplicate it, Command T, right click, flip horizontal. I will also add a levels adjustment to darken this layer. Then I will add a new brush layer. Select the dark brush, soft of course, low flow, 24 around 24, and then slightly brush over this, and then I will decrease the opacity. Let's now start to add the light. I will create a new layer, select a beautiful white, blue, and then click once, enlarge it. Okay, create another layer, and then select a beautiful yellow, click at the bottom of the design and enlarge it. Okay, we'll create another one. Okay, a new layer, and then select a beautiful red, click at the right. Okay, enlarge it as required, as necessary. I think here is okay. Okay, let's redo that. Okay, we're here. Good. And then add another one. We'll add a green one this time and click and then enlarge it. Okay, we'll change the blending mode of the green to something like an overlay. We'll also change the red to hard light. Okay, I think we're good. Now, let's now add the particles. Drag the particles layer here, and then resize it as required. Beautiful, right? It's getting somewhere here. Duplicate the particles layer and add another copy to the top. Okay, let's group the lights so that we can stay organized, and also the particles, we will group both of them. Okay, rename the garlands also so that we stay organized. I love to stay organized. Okay, and then we'll go back to the particles, add and a layer mask to it, and slightly brush in the middle of this thing like this. Okay, on to adding the type now. We'll add the text now. Okay, let's just a minute. Okay, let's go to the type tool and select a font that you like, and just try something here, and then black. Okay, add your type, change the color to white of course, and then just type Merry Christmas like this. Okay, and then you can adjust the text the way you want. Just move it here, and if you don't see the characters panel, just go to window, then you will see the characters panel. Okay, let's make sure this is centered, and then let's do the adjustments. I will try to enlarge this a little bit, and then we will just try to adjust this here. Okay, about here, and then review the size. Okay, and if we need to do something else to it, we can do it. I'm not really liking this here, and I think I will just put them on 2 lines. I will now just get a new copy of this text. Okay, I will duplicate that text. Okay, and then I will just move it down here, and then I will also change a few things here. First of all, I will change what's written here. I will write "I love you so much" like this. I will also create a little rectangle, which will be a sort of line. Change the color to white, and then I will drag it like this. Very thin little line like this. Okay, and then I will try to resize and just replace, just move it so that it's perfectly centered. Okay, it's kind of difficult. Here it is, with this purple line in the center. I know it's really perfectly centered, so I will keep on working on this text right now. I will move those layers down so that let me just go back to this and change the font of this second line of text so that I can have the font that I want. I think this one is good. Okay, this one is good. I will just size it down a little bit, and then I will just try to adjust a few things here. Feeling good with this. Okay. With and without. Just want to verify something. With and without this layer. Okay, now that our design is ready, we're gonna color grade it. I will add a curves adjustment and create an S-curve on that little thing, just like this. Just move things so that my design looks a little bit much better. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit this like button. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe to our channel, and please share this video so that others can learn from it and create great things for Christmas. Until next time, it's goodbye from me.